Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to download and install the Connect IQ Store application on our phone that is paired with our watch. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your phone. In the App Store, tap on Search and type in Connect IQ and tap on Search. You should see this application, Connect IQ Store. Install it by tapping on the Install button. Of course, if you're using an iPhone, you can also do it on an iPhone. So you can open the App Store on your iPhone, find this application, and then just simply install it. And once you install the application, you can open it. So I'm gonna tap on the Open button. And in the app, you should see this screen. Now tap on the Welcome. Here, you can tap on Continue, or you can switch the accounts if you want to. I'm gonna use this account, so I'm gonna tap on Continue, check the box, tap on Next, allow the permission, and once the IQ Store loads, we can tap on the Face It icon right here, and right here we can set up a custom watch face or the custom with our own image. So tap on this plus button. You can select camera or gallery. If you select the camera option, it will open the camera app on your phone. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. And the gallery option allows you to select the picture or image from your phone. I'm gonna use the gallery option. As you can see, it opened the files, I believe, or photos. And here we can browse our phone to look for the photo. I'm gonna select this one. So once you select the photo, you will need to crop it. Basically, you can select the part of the picture to be on your watch face, because if the picture is too big, it won't fit on the watch face. You will need to select the part of it. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can move this clock face basically around, and whatever is gonna be in this clear area is gonna be on our watch face. Let's set it to something like this. Once you're done centering the image, you can select the type of the clock right here. And once you're done, you can tap on this icon right here, select the color of the accent, and then you can tap right here and select the type of the font of the clock. Okay, and once you're done customizing, you can tap on Done button, name it, tap on Save, and here we have our custom watch face. You can create multiple if you want, but for now, let's just stay with this one. And once you're done and you want to apply this watch face to your watch, you need to tap on the Install button, and it's gonna start installing on your watch. As you can see, it's installing now. It might take a couple minutes, so I recommend to wait. And once the watch face is done installing, it's gonna be applied on your watch, as you can see. And at this point, we can close the application. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.